Hello everyone, welcome to Healthy and Tasty Options. Today I am going to share traditional Hyderabadi rice item, Bagara rice in instant pot and Stovetop. It tastes so delicious with mild spices, mint and coriander powder. Enjoy with curries, raita or yogurt chutney. I'm going to use very minimal oil, 1.5 teaspoon for 2 cups of rice. Could you believe usually many add 4 tablespoons for 2 cups of rice, which is 12 teaspoons. On top of it, curries with lot of oil leads to weight gain. Let's increase the richness of dish by taste and texture, not by oil or ghee. Stay tuned for my tips how to keep it fluffy, non-sticky and tasty with less oil. Let's get started. Take 2 cups of basmati rice. Wash 2 to 3 times. Helps to keep rice non-sticky. Soak for an hour. These are the whole garam masala items we need. Let's see Bagara rice in instant pot. Use salt mode on instant pot. Add 1 teaspoon oil, half a teaspoon ghee or butter. Or add 1.5 teaspoon oil or ghee. Add bay leaves, cloves, peppercorn, cinnamon stick, cardamom, shahi jeera, blackstone flower, chilies, mint leaves. Give it a mix and salt for a minute. Add half a cup onion slices, 1 teaspoon salt. Salt until onions fry a little. Meanwhile, drain water from soaked rice. Discard this water to get rid of starch. Helps to keep rice non-mushy. Mix once more to avoid overburning. Inner part being steel with less oil. If it smokes much, turn off instant pot for a minute and then resume back after adding rice. Mix a little and salt for a minute. Add 3 cups of water. The ratio is 1.5 cup water for 1 cup rice. Add little coriander and mint. Add 3/4 teaspoon coriander powder and 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder, or you can add 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Close the lid. Set pressure valve to ceiling. Now cancel the salt mode. Pressure cook for 7 minutes on low pressure. No need of keep warm. Once the timer is done, wait around 10 minutes or until pressure valve sits down. As you see, Bagara rice is cooked perfect. Top layer looks little dry. So here is the trick. Mix gently from bottom to top. After mixing, keep the lid back. Rest it for 5 to 10 minutes. Comes out super fluffy even with less oil. How nice it is, easily digestible, being lighter with less oil. Each and every grain gets cooked evenly. Serve hot and enjoy with curries, raita, yogurt chutney, etc. Kids can enjoy this flavored rice alone. Let's see Bagara rice on Stovetop. We'll use same ingredients. Water quantity and cooking times vary. Heat the pan. Add 1 teaspoon oil, half a teaspoon ghee or butter. Or add 1.5 teaspoon oil or ghee. Add all spices. After adding mint, chilies, onions and salt, add drained rice. Salt for a minute. Add 3/4 teaspoon coriander powder and 1/4 teaspoon garam masala powder, or you can add 1 teaspoon coriander powder. To cook faster, add hot water. Water ratio is 1:2. For 2 cups of basmati rice, we need 4 cups of water. If you want to use Sona Masuri rice, add half a cup water extra. Add mint and coriander. Cook on high flame for 5 minutes with lid. Once it starts bubbling, cook on low flame for 10 minutes with lid. After 10 minutes, turn off the flame. To avoid top layer drying out, mix gently and rest it for 5 to 10 minutes with lid on. Rice gets cooked evenly. Hope you like this tasty Bagara rice. See you again with more healthy and tasty recipes. Thanks for watching.